Want to finally make your goals happen this year? I'm going to show you how high achievers plan their year, step by step, so that if you actually follow it, your success is guaranteed. Step 1. Define your core goals. Identify 3 to 5 high-impact goals for the year. High achievers never chase everything at once. They focus on what matters most. Ask yourself, which goals, if accomplished, would make this year a success? Write them down and make them measurable. Read 12 books, not just read more. Step 2. Break each goal into quarterly milestones. This turns a giant, overwhelming goal into manageable chunks. For example, if your goal is launch a business, your Q1 milestone might be validate the idea, Q2, build a prototype, and so on. This creates a roadmap you can actually follow. Step 3. Schedule your actions. Turn milestones into weekly and daily actions. High achievers don't rely on motivation. They rely on a system. Every week, pick 2 to 3 key actions that move the needle toward your milestones. Block time in your calendar and treat it like a non-negotiable appointment. Step 4. Track and adjust. Track progress every week. Did my actions move me closer to my milestone? If not, adjust immediately. High achievers use this feedback loop relentlessly. So there it is. Define 3 to 5 core goals, break them into milestones, schedule actionable steps, track and adjust weekly. Do this consistently and your year won't just be productive, it'll be a success story. Now go plan your year like a high achiever and crush it.